Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve this kind of question. So what we have to do is to find the equation of straight line that is normal to the curve, this curve, which is perpendicular to another straight line. So before we even start, maybe I change this a little bit, SFX, okay? To symbolize this is our curve and then this is our straight line, maybe y1. Okay, now so first thing first, let put where is the curve by completing the square. So x minus 3 minus 3, and then that one will become x minus 3 squared, minus 8. So what we have from here is that from here is a positive in front of the bracket, so it's a smiley curve with a minimum point lah. Okay, because this is the minimum point at 3 minus 8. Okay, so let's sketch it somewhere like that. Okay, can. So this is x, this is y, and then I want to use a green color for my curve, so it's somewhere here. So this is our fx. Yeah. So this is clearly 1. This one don't want to know. This one also don't want to know. And yes, this is 3 and this is minus 8. Okay, so what we have is that, and then y1. Okay, now y1 I use purple lah. Okay, y1 I use purple. So where is y1? Y1, it's a straight line going up from left to right. Okay, going through minus 7. So this is minus 8, 7 is somewhere here, and then straight line. So should goes up like that lah. Okay, so okay, I don't think it's going through here, but since the scaling is not that accurate, so it's looking like it's going through 3, but it is not. Yeah. Okay, so minus 7 like that. Okay, that's good. So what we want is, okay, forget y1. So this is y1. Now the line that normal to that, which is perpendicular to this line, a line that perpendicular to this purple line is green pula, red lah. But before that we have to get a line y2. Okay, but I padam this y2 first. Okay, and then this y2 is parallel to the red line is parallel to the purple one, because we want to know where is the point will intersect. So this y2 will share the same gradient. Okay, and then we have our blue. We have our perpendicular line. So the line is something like this. So perpendicular. So this is y3. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, y3 is going through this point that we have to find, and this point is the tangent. This point meet at a point where the curve and y2 meet. So y2 is a line that tangent to the curve of fx. So we have two things that we have to find lah. Okay, but we don't have to find the gradient, because we already know straight away what is the gradient. Okay, now I copy paste the whole thing over here. y1 equals 2x minus 7. From here clearly the m is 2. Okay, the gradient is 2. So we can use the my2 equals 2 to find this coordinate. Okay, so how are we going to achieve that? We can do that by differentiate the green curve. Okay, so let's differentiate the green curve. F prime equals 2x minus 6. Okay, so f prime 2x minus 6. So we want to find where is the point that I highlighted in yellow over there. So we equal everything by 2. Okay, equals 2x minus 6. And then 2x 8. Therefore, x is 4. When x is 4, so f4 is just use the original equation. Okay, square minus 6, 4 plus 1. Okay, and then what we get is 16 minus 24 plus 1, which is minus 7. Okay, so the point that we highlight over here is 4 minus 7. Okay, so this is 4 and this is minus 7. Okay, so we know that 4 minus 7. Okay, I padam that one. So 4 minus 7 is the point that y3 go through. But we don't know what is the m or gradient for y3. Okay, but since we know y3 is intersect, this blue line is intersect pula, is perpendicular to y2 and y1. Okay, the purple and the red line. So we can use this equation. Okay, y1 y2 same lah. So we can multiply use this one confused, m y2, okay, multiply by m y3 equals minus 1. So my2 we know already it's 2. Okay, so multiply lah. So my3 is minus half. Okay, so this is the gradient for y3. We know that y3 goes through 4, 7. Okay, so y3 goes through 4 minus 7 with my3 equals minus half. Okay, so we can plug it in ymx plus c. Okay, so what is our y? Y is y is our minus 7. Minus 7 equals mm is what? M is minus half. Okay, and then 4 is the x. And then for us to figure out what c is. Okay, minus 7 berapa ni? Minus 2 minus 2 plus c. So c equals minus 5. Therefore, okay, y3 equals berapa tadi? mx minus 5. So this is the equation of the straight line that perpendicular to the one given lah, y1 2x minus 7. So this is the line. Okay, thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.